Hi everyone, I'm Hallie. Welcome to Ledger and Lace. This is part 2 of the hat pin box restoration for my friend. So we'll start off with the actual hat pin cushion part. This is the original lace that came on there. I did wash it or clean it very carefully, and let me show you what I used. There were some homemade recipes and stuff online, but I just didn't want to chance it since this isn't mine. So I went with this. It's acid-free, gentle. It doesn't have any detergents or soaps in it. And I'll have a link for this down in the description box below. But, and I didn't think you wanted to see the grayish water that came from cleaning it, but it's clean. It's still got the vintage vibe though, but yeah, it's clean. You can see where her great auntie used to stick her hat pins right there. That's a little worse for the wear. So I don't know if that's hand crocheted or maybe tatted, but exquisite lace. So that's that part. And then here's the little box part that I covered, and I'll have a link. I got the silk off of an Etsy shop in Vietnam, and I'll have the information for that in the description box below as well. So here's the box part that sits into this portion there, and then I'll show you this. So the original piece had cardstock that was very well worn and cracked, so I replaced it with something a bit sturdier and covered it with the silk, and then there's the back of it. And so then there you go. This fits in there and this fits on top, and I'm getting ready to send this off to my friend, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.